If you're looking for a heavy-duty scooter that can handle the beach, gravel roads, and steep hills, this is the one. I've personally owned the Afikim S4 for over 5 years, and let me tell you, nothing even comes close. Hey everyone, it's Sergio with Mobility Direct. Today we're reviewing the Afikim S4, a rugged outdoor mobility scooter that supports up to 600 pounds, has a 37-plus mile range, and is built like an absolute tank. Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to put a hidden message on the screen. If you spot it, you could learn how to claim a major discount code on your next purchase. Now, if you're someone who needs power, comfort, and reliability, especially outdoors, this scooter is for you. Whether you're on grass, dirt, gravel, or even sand, the Afikim S4 handles it all with ease. It has a 500-pound weight capacity standard, but you can upgrade it to a 600-pound max load build. It has full suspension, huge air-filled tires that give it the smoothest ride on the market. You can even upgrade to extra wide golf tires to make it even more capable off-road. Choose from an 18-inch wide seat all the way up to a 33-inch wide seat, which is perfect if you want to take that special someone on a joyride with you. On a full battery, it can reach up to 37 miles with the standard SLA batteries, but there are several upgrade options, including a lithium upgrade kit. It comes with a full lighting kit for the front, the rear, and it even has turn signals. This thing basically requires zero maintenance. All you have to do is charge the batteries and replace the tires as they wear down. I've used mine daily for years, and it's still running like new. By the way, folks, before I get any further, we do have a free printed catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about this product. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also call the number below, give one of our non-commissioned sales experts your mailing address, and they'll process the request for you by phone. If you purchase one of these, you can expect an industry-leading parts warranty, and the best part, you get a 3-year in-home repair plan. A technician comes to you if there's ever a covered warranty claim issue. If you shop with Mobility Direct, you do get lifetime customer support over the phone, tax-free sales, free shipping, and a seasonal discount this week only. So call the number below if you'd like to speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts. We'd love to answer any questions that you may have. By the way, part of every sale goes towards our community donation program. We give away mobility scooters all the time to random people that are in need. A lot of these folks are homeless, or they're just stuck using a cane, a walker, or a very old manual wheelchair. We show up, we give them a free mobility device, and we change their lives. If you want to be a part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know that needs a mobility device to shop at Mobility Direct. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. Now, if you've been searching for a dependable outdoor mobility scooter that can truly handle anything, the Afikim S4 is it. And don't forget, if you're subscribed and you leave a comment, you might just win a free scooter in our next giveaway. Check out the full product page details at mobilitydirect.com. I'll put the link in the description and at the top right-hand corner of the screen. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for watching. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.